you about an amazing tech event, Web Engineering Unconference. It happens in Palma in Majorca, and it's one of my favorite tech events. I go every year. Yes, every year. I've been going for the last 6 years. I love it, it's brilliant. It's so inclusive, everyone is so friendly. And being a small event, about 100 people, you really get to build really strong, long-lasting relationships with people that you see the following year and you see at other tech events around Europe. I highly recommend going. You will learn so much about tech, hardcore coding skills, as well as soft skills, working remotely, how to manage teams. It's brilliant. I mentioned it was an unconference. Let me tell you what an unconference is. With an unconference, there aren't planned talks. So there are 3 tracks. On the first day, on the Saturday, you all turn up and the people who want to propose a talk can propose a talk. And then after the talks have been proposed, you all vote. And the talks that you vote for get selected and will get assigned and split out between the 3 tracks. But don't worry, if your talk or a talk you want to hear isn't selected, we usually have 1 or 2 unofficial tracks that people just get together on the terrace, on the balcony, by the pool, and continue those conversations. I really like how the community are really inclusive. And then on the second day of the conference, you do the same again. You turn up in the morning, and people who want to propose a talk, it could be some of the talks that weren't selected the previous day, it could be new talks, and then again you vote, and then the talks for that day will be planned out depending on what you voted for. The other great thing of it being an unconference is it's a really good way to either test your talk, get some feedback, or to also talk for the first time. Because yes, you get a 45-minute slot, but you don't have to present for 45 minutes. What a lot of people do is they want to get feedback from the audience. So what they do is they start a conversation, be it 10 minutes, and then go into a round table and get people's feedback, ideas, experiences and thoughts on it. I cannot highly recommend enough to go to this unconference. You will learn so much, you will network, and you will make some really strong, long-lasting relationships. This is my 6th year and I can't wait for next year already. There's only 4 weeks left and tickets are running short. Make sure you book your conference ticket and then your flights and your hotel. They're not expensive. If you're in the EU, flights and hotels are quite reasonable, and the conference tickets are very, very reasonable. I hope to see you there. I hope you come and geek out with me, vlog with me, code with me, present with me. Any way I can help and support you, let me know. If you have any questions about the event, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends. I'll see you in Palma. But wait, if your talk isn't selected and there is still... But don't worry. No. I cannot highly recommend enough to go to this conference. Go to this unconference. Damn it! Oh my god, my English is so bad. I cannot highly recommend. It's been a long day.